Will 6 developers be able to make a playable game with no communication? Let's find out. Today, me, LOLs, Jirkenor3, Peter Temp Alt, Uwubaka and XX Mega Booster decided to make a game with no communication. Did we manage to do it or not? You will find out at the end of this video. And now let's get started.
Hello, I'm Peter and I'm going first in this no communication challenge. So I think I have an idea that is possible. I think a game like Valorant is possible. I have made a script for CASH and leaderboards and 2 teams. I think I'm going to move on to GUI. I made GUI and this desert thing. I'm not good with terrain. I'm going to load this comprehensive gun kit. This has lots of guns and should make the other devs understand what should happen. I think I'm going to do more GUI since I'm good at it. So my recording cut, and this is what I did. I made the gun buying UI to work somewhat bit, and then I went off to make the map a little more, but my time ran out. I've looked around and thought of a laser tag theme as well as some ruined stuff, so I'm gonna make a ruined/black castle building for the laser tag environment. I'll also make it a 2-story building. Right now I'm just gonna make the exterior of the castle. As you can see right here, these are some guns which inspired me to make this laser tag themed building, as well as the ruins that inspired me to make the abandoned castle theme for the map. I've completed the interior of the first floor. Now it's time to make the second floor. I'm making a giant hole through the second floor so that the players can jump directly through it to access the first floor without the need to go to the stairs. This also allows for players to shoot each other from across the second floor. Right now I'm making some power-ups that players can pick up to boost their speed, health and other stuff. It's up to the scripters on what they decide to do with the models. I'm making a lamp for all players to pick up since it's pretty dark in the map. Here's a tour of the map as it is right now. I like it personally. It turned out great. I've made some models. Right now I'm making a black hole kill animation so that when the players get killed they'll get sucked up in this black hole. I think it's a nice addition. I'm just messing around with the colors. I don't really know what to add here anymore. Here are all the models I've made. As you can see, there are the ones I've showcased and some others such as healing and damage. I like how this turned out. Let's hope the person after me understood what route I wanted this to go on.
Hi, I am Wogel alias Snowpeople. I am the second last contestant for this video. I am a builder and animator. When my time started, I pressed play and had a look around. I noticed a structure that fell apart and random glowing balls and a huge black box that turned out to be a small map. So I put a spawner in there and started to work on a gate that was in the map. I watched 2 tutorials and plopped a script and started programming. I did something but the gate didn't work, so I hope another developer finished it. Sorry for the text-to-speech. I didn't have enough time. Deeply sorry.
So now it's my turn, and looks like there's some terrain. And this, I don't know what is this. And this big black box, so let's see what's inside it. Okay, so there's a gate, and there's a spawn location. So let's play the game and let's see what is it about. So we spawned there on the top for some reason. Even the spawn is right there. Okay, does this work? No. Do we have any errors? Yes, we have leader sets error, team selection. Okay, so basically there's nothing. We can remove the terrain. So let's go and clear it. Yes. We can also delete this thing. So I got an idea. We can change the map a little bit. And we can make it a laser game. So this thing will damage you when you are near it, and this thing will heal you. I thought that this could be a portal. Now let's model the gun. So I'm in Batra, and the previous devs made pretty much nothing. Well, they made something that we can use to make the idea of the laser game. So I downloaded this image and let's try to model this. So I will get back to you when the gun is done.
I like to get paid, that's why I work every day. I'll be making money till I'm in my grave. Don't care what they say, I'll buy time with my money. Laughing to the bank cause it's funny. The money keep coming, I manifest it. Sing these lyrics and you'll get it. I'm the bank, come invest it. I get tracked and I have it. Money finds me attractive. I'm the type to make commas, turn a profit. I'm the boss, Willy Wonka, but it ain't chocolate. Yeah, I'm just being honest, I work for this shit. I'm usually modest, but this beat lit, so I'm going off thoughtless, talking my shit. Yeah, I'ma be the hottest designer in drip. I'm just coming with the rawness, I got it.
As you can see, I have this blue laser gun and this red laser gun. They have a light and they will play sound when you use them. They don't have any animations because I don't have time for animations, but they work. As you can see here, I can damage this gun. And the red gun works too. Also the guns are pretty simple, but for 1 hour it's pretty good. So I have 1 minute left. I can't really do much more, but I made the heal block and damage block work, and I also made the teleporters, and I also fixed the leader stats. I don't know who was doing the leader stats, but yeah, that's not how you make leader stats. And as you can see, I fixed the leader stats. I forgot to disable can collide on this, but that's not a big problem. This should damage me, yes, and this should heal me, yes, and this should teleport me. Okay, the teleporters are broken a little bit, yeah. So yeah, that's all, and let's move on to the next developer.
Alright, so the first thing that I saw when I opened the game were these models. I didn't know what they were meant for, but these two looked like a healing pad and perhaps a gun reloader. Then I went to check out this huge building. The first thing that came up to my mind was a horror game for some reason. These walls seemed to be part of a maze. Then I tried to launch the game. Well, that wasn't a great start. I noticed there were 2 teams, which meant this would be a competitive game. And then I came across another problem. There was this invisible wall. Another problem was this door not working. And so I decided to stop the game and fix some stuff. I saw this weirdly written tween service code. After few changes it finally worked. Then I tried to fix the weird collisions of the Union. The best solution I know of is making the Union uncollidable and putting up collidable walls which would act as the actual walls of the Union. And so that's what I did in the next several minutes. Then I checked out these guns. I tried to turn friendly fire off but moved on something else shortly after. I also assigned a safe zone to this area and made anyone in that zone invincible. I wish I could do something with these models, but unfortunately I ran out of time. I definitely fixed more stuff than I wanted to, giving myself less time for actually adding new stuff. I also spent a bit too much time on trying to change the guns. And that's about it for me. There aren't many devs after me, so hopefully this game gets into a better shape.
Okay, so I have about half an hour to make some models, so let's do it. So I already moved the models from the Blender to the studio. This map looks interesting, so I'm going to design it. done. And I'll see how it all looks.
So we are at the end of this challenge, and for the first time doing this, I think it's not the worst, but it's also not the best. I'm here with Snow People, one of the developers.
Hello.
And what do you think about this game?
I believe that I made the kind of this thing, and the gun is very, very bad. It sucks.
And hopefully you can hear him, because for some reason he is using a voice changer and I wasn't able to change his mind.
I found the bug.
And there are weird stuff with the collisions. Yes, I can go there somehow. Yes.
Hello. I am inside of your walls.
Yes, here. And now I'm stuck, but I can jump back again. So how would you rate this game from 0 to 10?
It was made hastily, so 4, 5 out of 10.
I would give this one 3 out of 10. And I think that's all for this video. If you want more videos where there will be more people and not just me, definitely tell me down it in the comments. I will hopefully be able to find someone. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.